Now we can start. Dr. K.B. Parikh, coordinator of
Yes,
this
sir.
FDP, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So let us go to our last part of this FDP, and that is nothing but the valedictory session. So I request to start the session.
We would like to invite 5 days ATL and DTA sponsors of FDP program of Fundamental of Geotechnical and Structural Engineering Sustainable Infrastructure. Dr. K.B. Parikh, sir. So I request you sir, to enlighten on this valedictory function.
Thank you. I thankful first of all to the AICT Atal Academy that has given good chances for us to explore the knowledge of structure as well as geotechnical aspect to among the researchers, among the faculty fraternity. It is a privilege to the department as well as the college. As such, this is our second FDP. Last year we have organized one FDP based on the concrete technology, and this is our second FDP based on the aspect of geotechnical and structural engineering. And I expect that it have fulfilled the objective also. The another FDP which has been sanctioned by the AICT Atal, which is on advanced level of structural and geotechnical engineering, which will be started from 30th of the August. Now, in the first day, the combination of the structural engineering and as well as the geotechnical aspect which has been or which was explored. Second day, it's purely dedicated more or less to the geotechnical sites. And considering the aspect of durability of RC structure, considering the aspect of the settlement of the foundation, and a new aspect has been explored in the expertness by Professor Desai sir on the recent advances of geotechnical and structural engineering. I wish this FDP has fulfilled your criteria or whatever you wishes that you have got from this particular FDP. I am thankful to all the participants for their patience and for their cooperation. Regarding FDP is concerned, I have used this word very frequently. The same thing I have going to announce over here. The presence is important as well as the marks in the quiz is also important. But as we all are the faculty fraternity, so I wish everything goes okay. As far as one PDF has been shared by respected Sandeep sir, which is having a very low attendance, which we have been kept over here. Now, on the behalf of GEC Dahod, I am thankful to all the participants. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Now we would like to invite our enthusiastic, supportive, dynamic personality, principal, and convener of this FDP event, Professor Dr. P.K. Brahmbhatt, sir, on lightning on the past 5 days FDP program and interaction with the participants.
Namaskar. Am I audible? Namaskar. Am I audible? Dr. K.B. Parikh, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. You are audible.
Sir. Good. Good afternoon. My beloved and honorable coordinator of this particular FDP, Dr. K.B. Parikh, very sincere and honest faculty of my college. Another coordinator, Dr. Y.K. Tandal. He is very innovative and creative in this area. All head of the department of GEC Dahod, all faculty members and the faculty members who are associated with this particular FDP, and they are putting up sincere efforts and hard work. Dr. Nirav Umravia, Dr. Professor Ajit Darji sir, and all committee members of this particular program, my beloved students of EC Dahod, PG students as well. And without your presence, this FDP would not be successful. My honorable, respected, and dear delegates, because some delegates were having very good experience, so they are respected for all us, and we are going towards the journey of teaching learning process. So first of all, I welcome all of you in this valedictory function. It's my pleasure to welcome you in this particular session and your presence for 5 days. That makes this program colorful and enjoyable as well as knowledgeable. Knowledge is a big C. Training that will definitely improve our technical skill, that expand our technical vision, so that we can start thinking technically. One of my guru, Dr. D.B. Nayak, sir, he had told me one day when he attended such type of FDP on operation research, OR. In one FDP, he had selected the area of research. He was able to define the objectives, problem statement, objective of his area of research. At the same time, also roadmap, research methodology to solve this particular problem. In another FDP, he has also, in this area itself, he had received another pathway, another roadmap, another methodology to solve this particular problem. So this FDP, that is very important for all of us. It plays a significant role in our career. If we attend this FDP seriously, so definitely we will get the number of area of research, we'll get the number of problems and how we can solve that particular problem. Your delta X contribution in your area of research, that is equivalent to PhD. In our life also, we solve the problem. And same way also in our field also, we try to solve the problem and its solution. The problem and its solution itself is our project in BE Tech study, somewhat larger. That is your MTech study, that is called dissertation, and problem and its solution, some enlarged problem, bigger problem. So that is your PhD. So if we understand these three words precisely and honestly, what is research, what is invention, and what is innovation? So through innovation and invention, we can serve the society. So we are in this noble profession. Teaching is a noble profession where we can share our knowledge with our students. So our students and those who are industry person, they will have to design and develop various systems. So our topic is very appropriate, very excellent. That is nothing but fundamental of geotechnical and structural engineering for sustainable infrastructure development. The fundamental knowledge, that is very essential. That is basic knowledge. If you are strong in your fundamentals, you can generate number of problems. Each and every problem has its own solution. And when we solve the solution, when we solve any problem, we will derive some investigation. So we will compare this investigation with the literature, and at the same time we will also compare that investigation with the fundamental knowledge. अगर fundamental knowledge से आपका investigation deviate हो रहा है, तो somewhere we are wrong. And without doing experimental work, one cannot come to concrete conclusion. So experimentation is also essential at the same time. So computational techniques, that also plays a major role. Sometimes the number of readings आप कम करना है, तो टाकुची approach use करो, तो आपको number of experimental readings जो है वो आपको कम लेना पड़ेगा. So all these computational techniques, software-based analysis, that is also it plays a significant role in our structural development, in our field. So at the same time, once the structure is developed, it must be sustained against all kinds of disasters. So that is why sustainable infrastructure development, that is our today's need. So all of you, I urge all of you to start doing research in this particular area. And if you are PhD holder, so you define different problems in this particular area and try to guide your students. Ultimately, giving something is nobler than taking. Give something best to the society. Aap jahan ho, wherever you are, you give something best to your society, and society will remember you forever if you serve the society in this manner. So my best wishes to all of you, and this is outcome-based FDP. See, output and outcome, these are these different words. Once our expert, when we show the results, comparison of the results with the literature, so that results and discussion, this is nothing but the output of that particular work. But outcome that are based on our results and discussion, we will try to derive some investigation. Investigation 1, investigation 2, that is your concluding remarks. Conclusion, that is closure of our work, closure of our research work. So that is nothing but outcome. And every research work is ended with comma only. One can extend your problem using different methodology, using different material, using different parameters, using different computational techniques. So one can extend your problem, and that way he or she can solve that particular problem. So delta X contribution in your area of research, that is more than enough. So कोई भी research work comma से complete होता है. There is no full stop in research work. So how we can carry out the literature survey, how we can select the problem, research problem, how we can define the objectives, how we can select the research tool, research methodology, and which whether we should go for theoretical approach, experimental approach, or both approach we can use to solve that particular problem. And finally, we will be able to derive some investigation. And suppose if your structure is very novel, you can publish the research papers also in the reputed journal, authentic journals. At the same time, if your new structure is developed, you can say that this structure is very extraordinary. So I will have to register the patent on this. So you know how to register the patent. So there are ample opportunities available in our area. Simply we'll have to put up sincere efforts and hard work. every day we should wake up early in the morning. Self discipline, that is very important. Sometimes today's work we will perform, we will carry out tomorrow. So that is wrong practice. And students के साथ आप whatever the knowledge you have gained here, वो knowledge आप share करो. और जो आउटकम जो भी अपने को मिला है, वो आउटकम के बेस के ऊपर आप जो भी टाइप टॉपिक है उसमें से आप प्रॉब्लम निकालो. एंड आप में बी बीटेक और एमई एमटेक के स्टूडेंट्स एज वेल एज पीएचडी के रिलेटेड भी ऑब्जेक्टिव यू कैन डिफाइन योरसेल्फ. So with this not, let me conclude my speech. There is no elevator to success. You have to take stairs. I will keep this tempo. I will keep this tempo in your mind. So best wishes. So before, don't make any problem a war. Okay? So be selective in your battles. Don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limits. Once again, I am telling you, don't limit your challenges. Challenge your limit. Hey Chris, do hard work. I can, I will. ये टेम्पो के साथ आप जियोगे तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन डू वंडर्स इन योर लाइफ. माय बेस्ट विशेस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल. थैंक यू. नमस्कार everybody from all over India. Thank you. Namaskar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your precious word with us. Now, we would like to invite Professor N.B. Umravia, sir, to share his experience about his FDP.
Hello. Thank you, Dr. K.B. Parikh, sir, to share my feelings of the 5-day FDP program on fundamentals of the geotechnical and structural engineering for sustainable infrastructure development. In this FDP organizer, 14th lecture of the soil and geotechnical structural aspect covers indeed. Over the next few minutes, I would like to talk about what we have learned. Okay, in this FDP, we learned structural designing, geotechnical properties, soil investigation, geosynthetic applications, ground improvement. Okay, waste plastic used in a concrete. FDP covers with the concrete as well as the high strength concrete, design of the high rise, bridge aspect, groundwater recharging, and soil settlement in basic of. All of this knowledge we able to doing the great. We have to learn the structural aspects and geotechnical aspects very well. I sincerely thanks to all organization teams, okay, as well as I sincerely thanks to Dr. K.B. Parikh sir, Dr. Tandel sirs, my UG students, okay, who will help me to keep all the arrangements of the technicals, okay, with the broadcastings, YouTube broadcastings, and other things. I sincerely thanks to Hussein, Munira, Zora, Shivani, Mokshad, and all the participants. Okay, without of them support, this FTP could not be a great memories. Okay, last but not least, okay, directly, indirectly, I thanks to all who will be help me to make this sincerely. Okay, and thank you so much for sharing my. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Now, we would like to invite our participants. Without them, this event will not be as successful. So I request you all to share or give us feedback on this outcome-based FDP. So we request participants to unmute yourself and speak your kind words.
Good afternoon, sir and ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible now. You are audible now.
Okay, thank you. Good afternoon to respected Principal Dr. Brahmbhatt sir of Government Engineering College Dahod, event coordinators, respected Dr. Parikh sir, respected Dr. Tandel sir, all respected faculty members, volunteers, and eminent participants of this 5-day online Atal FTP on fundamental of geotechnical and structural engineering for sustainable infrastructure development. Myself, Dr. Damayanti Ji Badka, Associate Professor of Civil Department from SN Patel Institute of Technology and Research Center, Umrak, express my sincere gratitude to organizers for giving me opportunity to share my feedback. As per the objective of this FTP really enhanced advanced knowledge and information of fundamental aspect of geotechnical and structural engineering for sustainable infrastructure development for not only scholars but also for academicians, researchers and engineers too. From this FTP, sustainable infrastructure development is the present need to grow tribal region is clearly understood from all the expert sessions. From this FTP, new knowledge and experience were received for sustainable infrastructure development in geotechnical and structural fields, sir. All session experts delivered their best knowledge as per their subject title and solved doubt of participants very nicely. In this pandemic, Dr. Parikh sir and his team very well organized this FTP with timely guidance through WhatsApp and email throughout FTP. All the faculty members, volunteers very well supported throughout this FTP. So lastly, I congratulate entire GEC Dahod team, especially Principal Dr. Brahmbhatt sir for his enthusiastic speech, who always lead and support for such activities as well. Many congratulations to very young, dynamic and active Professor Dr. Parikh sir for organizing such a nice event for civil engineering fraternity all the time. Thank you so much, sir. Stay safe and take care to all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Now, any other faculty who want to share their feedback? Just click on camera, speak something. Maybe a positive, maybe something we want to improve for the second time, because our next FTP will be started from the 30th August of the advanced level, so we can improve also that one. So you can share your feedback. Your feedback is very precious. Any of the faculty member. What you like in the FTP, what you do not like in the FTP. Hello. Any of the participant I'm expecting, please something, so that we can know where we can improve.
Hello, shall I, sir?
Yes, definitely, sir.
Yeah, sir. Good evening. Myself, Anuj Chandiwala. I'm working as a ad hoc assistant professor in CK Bidhawala College, Surat. I attend the entire FDP program from the beginning, from the demo class to till today, right now, and yeah, the entire FDP is organized in well in advanced manner. And what are the some of the all the coin have two sides. We know that, but in this crucial situation also you manage the entire FDP in very well manner. All the speakers are very good. They gave the very nice knowledge sharing session to all of us. And we must gain some advanced knowledge in the form of sustainable infrastructure development and with geotechnical engineering also. Sir, I just want to add one more thing, if possible. Then can you change the little timing of the FDP so that maybe possible that many of the faculty they have gone through the college hours is around 4 or 4:30. So if possible, so we can complete the entire session. Maybe you can curtain some of the lunch break time, say 1 hour, or you can complete if 45 minutes or 30 minutes. Then it is okay, sir. As this is the online FDP, so we can take the lunch with the whenever we are listening the FDP also, you know.
Yes.
So if possible, for the next time, this is my suggestion, sir. It's not a.
No, sir, it's a good suggestion. So because what happens as we have a timing between 10:30 to 6:10, so it is manageable for me, but it may not be manageable for the other participants. So it's a good suggestion. And next time for the second FDP, we will take care definitely, and we will curtail the lunch break also even in that case. Thank you very much, sir. We'll take care.
Because of what happened, just if I'm talking from my side, no, so I am frankly say, after 4 o'clock, after 4, my college's timing is over, so I must have to left for the home.
Yes.
So for 4 to 4:30 during my transportation or traveling time, I'm not able to attend the FDP on that particular time point of view. Time being, when I reach the home, I can start the FDP. But for that particular session, we missed the that session for all the 4 days.
Yes. Thank you, sir. Yes, definitely. Yes. You may speak.
If possible, please share the session of the PPTs, if possible. Or PPT.
Yes, sir. Actually, only 3 or 4 sessions is only remaining. All other I have been shared through emails. Only 3 or 4 remaining because yet I haven't received from the expert. As and when received, I'm going to share you definitely, sir. Remaining thing.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Very nice and best and congrats to the entire team of the Dahood, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Precious suggestions will be taken care definitely in the next time also. Thank you, sir. Any other faculty, please share their feedback. I'm eager to listen. Yes, sir.
Yes, good evening, sir. Myself, Dr. Hemal J. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Can you open? Yes, you are also fine. Fine, sir. You may share, sir.
Yes, sir. Myself, Dr. Hemal J. Assistant Professor, GEC Bharuch. I am very much thankful to coordinator of this training, Dr. KB Parikh, sir, and entire team, Umravia, sir, and other faculties for arranging such a nice online training program. As this is online, so that we can attend from our college by taking our lectures and all these things, as well as there are so many good faculties from SVNIT and other colleges like LD College and other colleges. Another thing is that it is very good blended. It means all the varieties there, soil side, structure side, and even yoga side. So we learned something related to yoga also. So we are thankful to entire thing, and we hope that GEC Dahood will again arrange some training in future also. Such a nice training. Very good, sir. Very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for inspirational words. And your other faculty, please, sir. Any other faculty? See, if some of the faculty can share their views, I'm always learning because this is also my learning stage, and people learn from by doing the practice only. It is not every time possible that I may feel succeed. Yes, there will be certain deficiencies remaining. You can tell me very frankly, or if you feel something very good, you can speak very frankly. So this is quite very good. So both the things that is to be required for us, it creates the happiness in our mind. So I request you other participants from the other state, please welcome and speak something over here at this platform. I need suggestions.
Good afternoon. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir.
Yes, sir. I am Dr. Amol Pote.
Sir, can you open your the camera, sir?
Associate Engineering and Technology, Pune, from Pune.
Okay, sir.
Pune, Maharashtra, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, can you open your camera, please, sir?
Yeah. Just a minute, sir. Yes, sir. I'm visible.
Not yet, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I think I'm visible. Yeah.
Yes, visible. Sir,
so, as a geotechnical engineer, so I am also specialized in geotechnical engineer. I am also Board of Studies member in Savitribai Phule Pune University. So this program was really very fantastic, and you are providing really a good speakers as in a geotechnical engineering side or a structural engineering side. So it is a need, the interaction in between soil structure interaction. That means structural engineering and geotechnical engineering, these are the most important basic areas in the civil engineering. So I appreciate your efforts and your team. So you are providing each and everything in a proper manner. So I want to just tell you as one suggestion, as my told Anuj told us. So timing. So 2 hour session is very high for our our teaching community. So you just reduce that time instead of 2 hours. Just if you consider a time 1.5 hours, so it is beneficial to us. So
Uh,
really a good very informative. All the sessions were very informative. Thank you very much, sir.
Dr. Amol sir, thank you for your kind suggestions and thank you for appreciation words also. Sir, about the timing is concerned, in the there is a this particular FDP has been sanctioned by AICT Atal. So
Yeah.
they have been put up a criteria clearly per day 3 session. For each session, you have to go for 1.5 hour to 2 hours. Approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes is the speech from the experts, and remaining 15 minutes from the question and answer.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah, yeah.
my hand actually
I
my
understand.
hand is in binding mode. In that case, I can't do anything, sir.
Yeah, I understand,
Yes,
sir. I
but
really understand your problem. Okay,
but
thank you, sir.
what can I do? I can manage the time slots as suggested by the other faculty. Thank you, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
definitely. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Is there any other faculty who would give the feedback? Other faculty? I'm expecting some will speak, one or two faculty more speak. See, right now I'm the staging of the listening mode. I want to listen because the 5 days work we did it. My team has done the excellent work, which I thought that my students. I repeat, even though here the masters is going on, but right now my right hand, left hands are nothing but the UG students. The students of the third semester UG, fourth semester UG, fifth semester UG. The students are of the third to seventh semester are doing the task for me for doing this particular to make this FDP successful. They are doing the task. So we want to know. So once again, request if some of the kind words from the other faculty fraternity, yes, if you make a mistake, please tell us. I'm waiting. Any of the faculty from anywhere. This is the platform that you can say something. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Myself, Dr. Pol Raju from KL University, Vijayawada. Currently, I'm here working as a professor in civil engineering department. Yeah, the whole sessions and all keynotes, means the experts are very good, sir. What is my critical observation is that few of the sessions they were covering in Hindi language. Of course, I'm not against Hindi language. Of course, I could able to understand Hindi since I studied my BTech from Maharashtra, but maybe participants may be mixing, maybe across the India. So that point maybe I think we have to look after, sir.
Yes, yes. The points has been noted down. It will be taken care definitely. So
Yes, sir.
instruction will be given. It is actually what happens that in this region, this Hindi, Gujarati, and English are the fluently speaking languages. But yes, I have to understand because whenever I have to go at the South region, the English is the predominant one. I understand, totally understand.
Yeah, but I understood whatever he spoke. He spoke one day. One speaker was using a lot of Hindi continuously was using. I understood continuously, but I was thinking about the other participants maybe who are attending from South India. I just this is just only a
Sure,
small thing.
sure, definitely. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Is there any other participant who should? So this is a good suggestion which has been given to you. So this must I have to improve because here all the faculty fraternity is not from the one region. It's from the all over the national wise is concerned. Indian nation is concerned from all other places has been come over here. Any other faculty wants to? Okay, so let us we go to our ended part of this session.
Thank you all the faculty members for sharing your feedbacks and views on this FDP program. Now, I would like to request all of you to turn on your camera for the group photo.
I request you just open for 1 minute for your camera open, please, so that we can take a photo session. It is requested for all the faculty fraternity. Please open your camera, including requested Brahmbhatt sir also. Yes, yes, yes. Nirav sir, all the faculty fraternity. Yet some of them are remaining. Please share your photos so we can take care over here together. Yes, good. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Now you may switch off your camera, please.
Not last but not the least, we would like to invite our 5-day program another coordinator, Dr. YK Tandil sir, to give the vote of thanks.
Thank you. First and foremost, I want to express my gratitude to the AICTE Training Learning Academy, New Delhi, for funding the FDP, and Director of Technical Education, Gujarat, for his assistance. Thanks to our energetic principal, Dr. P.K. Brahmbhatt sir, for being a special guest of honor today, and for always being inspirational for the students as well as the faculties. Thank you to the Applied Mechanics Department faculties, particularly Professor N.B. Mravia, Professor Sandeep Chandreshwar sir, for managing the FDP's numerous tasks. I want to thank all the participants for your kind attention throughout the FDP and listening to very precisely, and for a good interaction with the different faculty members, different experts that we have. Finest of all, our student volunteers to ensure the smooth operation of the FDP. And yes, of course, I would like to thank Dr. K.B. Parikh sir also for organizing this kind of FDPs. And in near future, in coming months, we might having one more FDP. So now I conclude the session with wish that we will meet again in a few months for an advanced program on the same subject, probably in the end of August, incorporating takeaway from this event. So whatever we have learned in at the fundamental on this FDP, so that will be certain advanced stages that FDP will be there, and of course this knowledge will be takeaway for all the participants. So thank you very much, and now we will disperse today with our national anthem, Jana Gana Man. So I think we'll just unmute our mic, and we all together sing for Jana Gana Man.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा गुजरात सब सुख चाहिए देश विदेश
So thank you very much, all the participants. Have a good night. And if you have any difficulties facing while approaching quiz, kindly let us know. I have make open the quiz form for all of you. So even if you don't log in with Microsoft Team, even you can log in with your Gmail or other account also. So even though after that also, if you feel and even if you have a time constraint after 7:30 also, you can just inform to me. We will take care of it. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you all the participants. Our WhatsApp groups remains as it is right now till you get a certificate. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.